Let's move on to the other problem. Here, he wants us to find out the PV ratio, the margin of safety, when the sales, variable costs, fixed costs are given to us. Let me repeat. He wants us to find out the PV ratio. He wants us to find out the margin of safety when the sales, variable costs and fixed costs are given to us. Now, we know that the S minus V is equal to F plus P. Why I am taking this particular equation? Reason is that I wanted to find out the PV ratio. To find out the PV ratio, I need to have two sets of information. One is the contribution and other one is sales. Now, through this particular marginal costing equation, we can find the contribution figure. S minus V is a contribution or F plus P is a contribution. Now, we have the information with regard to sales, we have the information with regard to the variable costs, we have the information with regard to the fixed costs. So, I can find out the contribution. So, this particular S minus V itself is nothing but contribution. F plus P is equal to contribution. So, S is known to us. S is 10 lakhs rupees. Let me substitute this particular 10 lakhs here. And V is 4 lakhs to us, given to us. So, this itself is nothing but contribution. That is nothing but 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs is going to be 6 lakhs. Now, once we find out, we got this particular C, which is nothing but 6 lakhs. And if we wanted to find out the PV ratio, that is nothing but C by S ratio. This can be also called as C by S ratio. We can find out by using C by S figures, C and S figures, the contribution and sales figures. The contribution, we got it as 6 lakhs. And sales is given as 10 lakhs. This is nothing but 60%. So 6 by 10 is nothing but 60% or 0.6 or 6%. So the PV ratio or the C by S ratio, we got it as 0.6 or 60%. Why we wanted to find out? Because we wanted to find out the other two things. One is the break-even point through which we will be in a position to find out the margin of safety. So after finding these particular things, we can find out the break-even point in sales through the formula which we know as fixed costs divided by the PV ratio. We know the fixed costs, which is given as 4 lakhs. Divided by 60%. 60 by 100. That, so in the numerator I can take that particular thing into the numerator. So this works out to 6,66,667 rupees. So the break-even sales are going to be now 6,66,667 through this particular formula. Now, after getting this particular thing, we can find out the margin of safety. The margin of safety, we know is equivalent to the actual sales minus break-even point sales. Now, the actual sales were given as 10 lakhs rupees. And break-even sales, we got it as is rupees 6,66,667. So which works out to 3,33,333 rupees. So let me repeat. I am trying to find out the contribution margin. Then through this I'll be able to find out the PV ratio. PV ratio is nothing but C by S ratio. So we have the information with regard to C, we have the information with regard to sales, so we got the PV ratio. After finding the PV ratio, to get the margin of safety, we need to find out the break-even sales. So we have found out the break-even sales by using a formula which is nothing but fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Then after finding the break-even sales, we try to find out the margin of safety, wherein the margin of safety is nothing but actual sales minus break-even sales. We know that the actual sales are 10 lakhs rupees. The break-even sales are 6,66,667, which we calculated, and this works out to 3,33,333. Thank you.